Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on DEGEN, a meme coin that's built on Base, Coinbase's ecosystem. Before we begin, make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, DEGEN's price is currently at 0.0031 and the market cap is currently sitting right above 44 million. So there is a lot of potential upside. If we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that DEGEN was created last year in 2024 in January, and it experienced a very nice pump all the way up to 0.056 according to CoinMarketCap. But if we take a look here on TradingView, we are looking at DEGEN over USDT daily chart on MEXC. We see that DEGEN pumped all the way up to 0.065. Then traders and investors took profits, and the price action pulled back, started downtrending, moving inside this huge falling wedge pattern. So we had this lower descending yellow trend line that had been acting as support. As you see, the price action bounced here, bounced again multiple times, over 3 touches. Therefore, that was a very valid support trend line. And then we had this upper descending yellow trend line that had been acting as resistance. We got rejected here, another rejection, over 3 touches. So that's another valid resistance trend line. But then notice that the price action of DEGEN managed to break out of this downtrend. And then we saw some kind of consolidation before the next leg up. I gave you this setup on my Telegram group, guys. People were sending me thank you messages. I had people who bought all the way down here, rock bottom, and they sold close to the top. But from this bottom to this high, that was a move of over 1,100%, life-changing money. Some people bought DEGEN the second time that I posted it, which was here, after we broke above this bull pennant or bull flag, depending on how you draw your trend lines. And this was another amazing move. Look at this, guys. That was a move of 300% or over 300%, depending on where you bought. And then after DEGEN pumped all the way up to 0.038, traders and investors took profits again. Price action pulled back, started moving in a downtrend, forming this falling wedge pattern. So we have another falling wedge pattern, just like this one. So if we zoom in so we can see this better, we see that we have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. We had a bounce here, another bounce, these bounces right here, over 3 touches. Therefore, that was a very valid support trend line. And also, we had this upper descending yellow trend line that had been acting as resistance. We got rejected here, another rejection, rejection after rejection. But notice that the price action managed to break out of this downtrend again. This is the downtrend, and boom, price action broke out. And we are currently consolidating, just like we did back here. The fact that this happened again, it doesn't mean anything, guys. These are meme coins. They can go to zero at any time. But at the moment, things look good for DEGEN because we are currently at range lows. And as you see here, the price action is bouncing above this key level of resistance that's located at 0.0025. What we want to see is some kind of consolidation, right? But what we don't want to see is a break below the support. If the price action breaks below the support, this is going to be pretty bearish. But a consolidation above this support is pretty bullish, and we might see another leg up sooner or later. Nobody knows when, nobody knows how strong the move is going to be if it happens, but I have a few targets here that you should be paying attention because traders and investors are probably going to take some profits when the price action and if the price action hits these targets. The first target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.0089. The measured move from the current price levels to this target, that's a 190% move. And the next target is located all the way up here. That's at 0.017. The measured move from the current price levels to this target, that's a 460% approximately. Again, DEGEN has a market cap of 4 million. Therefore, it doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to move. It's not as heavy as other large caps that we have been looking at. Therefore, just a little bit of liquidity flowing into it, and DEGEN will pull a move sooner or later. If DEGEN was to hit this previous high that we saw back in November of 2024, it's going to need a move of 1,100%, over 1,100%. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Are you bullish on DEGEN? Do you think that DEGEN is going to reach that previous high? Or do you think that DEGEN is going to surpass the previous all-time high sometime in the future? But for now, things look good. And that's why I wanted to bring this setup to your attention, guys, because we are currently at range lows. And if you are in my group, you know that these meme coins are risky. Crypto is volatile. So if you want to trade these, you should always set up a stop loss, right? Just in case a price action decides to break lower and starts downtrending again, because you don't want to hold downtrends. But again, as long as the price action stays above this key level of support, we should be fine. That looks pretty bullish to me. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and click the link in the description below so you join my free Telegram group, because this is where you can find the rest of the targets that I have for DEGEN. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.